Hey folks, those clouds moved in today and been with us pretty much all day long, and they'll be with us much of the night and into tomorrow. But then they're going to break tomorrow afternoon. Temperature's going to warm up nicely. Here's where we are right now: 78 Weslaco, Harlingen, Raymondville, 75 in Port Isabel, Brownsville, 79, 80s in the western part of the valley. A little sun showed up late today out in the western part of the region. But if you look at our low temperatures tonight, no cooler than 69 or 70 in most areas. A little cooler in the west, but for the most part, we bottom out right at 70. That's a sign it's humid out there, and the dew points have come back up. But tomorrow, after the morning clouds burn off, sunshine comes out, winds shift around and come out of the north by afternoon, and with that, temperatures take off. And we're looking at 95 in Rio Grande City, 96 in McAllen, here in the Mid-Valley about 94. The beach will be cooler, about 82 at South Padre Island tomorrow afternoon for a high. The normal high for this time of year here in the valley is 85 degrees. Tomorrow, almost 10 degrees above that. The record's 98. It's looking like we're probably not going to get there, but we'll be in the ballpark. And then Sunday, considerably cooler, only 80 with low humidity, bright blue skies, a light breeze. Looks like a nice day. And then Monday, we come back up to normal at 85 degrees on Monday afternoon. Boy, the clouds have been thick across most of the valley, even now, except some breaks out in the western area. But for the most part, overcast across the region today. So the sun kind of hard to find. Tomorrow morning, clouds early, but they'll break. And once that happens, sun comes out and it turns hot with readings all the way back up into the mid-90s once again. Let's go forward to Sunday. A secondary front comes in, and that's the front that brings the drier air, the lower humidity, and just beautiful temperatures into the region. Sunshine during the afternoon with readings climbing back up only to about 80 or so, which means if we top out at 80, we'll spend most of the day working to get there, much of the afternoon just in the 70s. So a delightful Sunday. Monday looks pretty good as well with mostly clear skies. We expect no rain through the weekend into the first part of next week at all. Rest of Texas tonight, 71 right now in Abilene, 69 in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, 77, 78 Austin and San Antonio. Warm spot on the map right now, Laredo at 86 degrees. Warm front moving to the north makes tomorrow a hot day. At the same time, cool front comes in from the west. That slides through. Secondary front slides through. That combination makes tomorrow hot, Sunday cooler. Monday stays cool as well. Eventually, the high pressure will move eastward. Still close enough on Monday. We have another pretty nice day, but by Tuesday, it's far enough east with the southeast wind will kick back in. That is what's going to bring us more humidity. The next front due the middle of next week looks like could be relatively good front once again, and that could cool it off at the end of the week. We'll talk more about that in the next half hour. At the coast, here's what's happening. Dense fog advisory now in effect. The bay temperature 72, the surface 69. That dense fog advisory until 10 a.m. There's also a high risk of rip currents there. Are your two tides for tomorrow. See your First 1-5 AccuWeather the forecast for tonight. Mostly cloudy. Fog showing up late, especially at the coast, a low of 70. Then tomorrow up to 94. After the clouds burn off, sunshine in the afternoon. May look messy in the morning, but don't give up on it. The sun will come out. And when that happens, temperatures take off up to around 94 degrees. 94 tomorrow, a whole lot cooler on Sunday, 80. And again, remember, if we start at 54, it takes all day to get to 80. So really a pretty pleasant day. Monday, we're back to 85. Tuesday, 89. On Wednesday, 93. Another front comes in, and look at Friday of next week. Windy but sunny, only 79 with lows back in the 50s once again. We should be coming to the end of those nighttime lows in the 50s. We'll talk more about that in the next half hour as well. That's your updated First 1-5 AccuWeather forecast.